Hi, fellow traders. What's happening? I hope you guys had a great weekend. Well, it's a new week, new me. That's my motto every week. Doesn't matter what happened the previous week. This is a new week. Everything starts fresh from today. And, we try to maximize every opportunity that we get in the market. So, today, let's take a look at what we did today. First trade out of the gate was on BA. Let me pull that up. And if you notice, I quit trading this morning. I had to take my son to school. He was moving in his apartment, trying to get ready for his sophomore year in college. So I had to take off early today and go do that. So had an early morning this morning. But first trade out of the gate was BA. We waited for it to break over this daily level, which was sitting right on the 5-minute opening range high and the pre-market high. So we got in and it started to pull back. And then I noticed the linear regression channel, readjusted, and it readjusted right above my entry. But the technicals held, the trend held. There was no reason to bail out. I don't watch my P&L. I don't care what the numbers say. I'm reading the chart. And there's nothing on this chart told me to get out of this trade. So we waited. It made a push up, hit our first target, and we failed to push 170, and it pulled back, and we ended up getting stopped out. Decent base hit here. There's nothing to complain about. It is what it is. We made some money on it, and we packed up, and we moved on. So SQ was the next trade we took. This was another opening range breakout. Here's the opening range high right here, which I need to change this to green. This was the high right here, and I had to wait until we took out the pre-market high and get over yesterday's close price. This was just too close for comfort. You can see it reacted to this level early. Let me turn my phone off. Reacted to this level early, pulled back, and then as it pushed through, we broke out. I was able to get it. It kind of bounced. It pulled back a little bit. This is the Bollinger Band on the 60-minute chart. It hit it, pulled back, and finally hit my next two targets, and it pulled back. I went ahead and killed it here because I figured this thing was going to pull back, stop me out at break even, and then rip back up. And that's exactly what it did. But here I got in. I must have hit two buttons, but I got in with too many shares here and ended up taking some off here at $79.50, which turned out to be the best thing to do because this thing gave up and ended up selling back off. And, that was our day. So we had a pretty decent morning. Now, the people in chat that took Roku, this was a killer trade of the day. Okay, once we got over the pre-market high, that was that. So here's a 5-minute opening range high. But this was too close to the pre-market high. So you wait. Once it breaks pre-market high, you get in. Look at the big move up here. First big move, pull back, push up. I think it pulled back a little bit again and consolidated and ended up ripping up higher. I think the high ended up like 72. So you guys in chat that got that, very, very good job. It makes me feel, you just don't know how good I feel to see you guys actually get this, understand how simple it is. And it's just a matter of being patient and executing. And you get these things. So not all of us get into big trade. Some of us get into the base hits and the doubles like we had. Still have a very good day. I'll still end up with maybe a $750 a day, just from this morning. I don't know what it is. It may not even be that much, but it's close. So trust the process, trust your plan, trust the trend. If you're trading the trend, trust it. It's going to be your friend, and it's going to tell you everything that you need to know, and you're going to be able to make some money. So that's it for me today. Hopefully I'll get some more trades I can kind of share with you later this week, maybe a couple of earnings trades. But until then, peace.